Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Keep the video on.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
No, we can do our job now.
What are we doing today? Oh yeah, we're doing algebra. Can I get my algebra? The things have not done.
Yes. Yes. How come you said that? Go. Get into it.
This is not fair.
Did you do the last one, 8th one? Why? Do it right now.
I have that.
From next time, can you just message it on the group or the homework? Okay?
It's my problem.
Because,
Okay.
if you tell me verbally, then I forget. So.
Okay, so what I'll do is when I'm telling you the homework, right away I'll send it in the group. Okay, do this one. You remember, right, what has to be done?
Yeah, I remember. I'm not done.
Okay.
Done.
Fine, yeah, it's correct. Why have you done it with pencil? Huh?
Because that is what I found.
Okay.
I'll do it with the
Okay, we'll start with the next part. Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is B in each of the following. Okay, so first one. In this
What do
question,
you have to do in this?
what is given is no. First term is given, that is A or T1 is given to you, and the common difference is given, that is 5 in this case. You have to find the AP.
15, 20, 25, 50.
Yes, you have to find the AP. Yes, correct. So at least 4 to 5 terms you have to find and keep. So first term is A, then 15. Correct what you said. But now how to write it? So A, also known as a first term T1, is given 10. Then you find out the second term, that is T2. So second term T2 will be the previous term T1 plus the common difference D. So previous term is 10, common difference is 5, 10 plus 5, 15. Then now third term.
And 15 plus D.
Correct. So it will be T2, which is 15 plus common difference D, that is 15 plus 5, which is 20. Again, find fourth term also. 4 terms are enough. So fourth term T4 will be T3 plus D. So that will be 20 plus 5, which is 25, and so on. Okay, you can continue, but 4 terms are enough to do. So you can say finally the AP is, the arithmetic progression AP is for T1, that is 10, comma T2, that is 15, comma T3, that is 20, 25, comma dot dot dot. That's it. This is what we had to find out. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, write it down.
And
Okay, fine. Can you
can
do
you hear
the,
me?
yes. Can you do the second one on your own?
This is with a minus sign, right? So you will add only, right? Like the addition and then the
Yes.
minus in the bracket.
Yes, correct. But keep one thing in mind, the common difference is 0. So can you think what that sequence will be, what the AP will be?
Minus 3, 3, 3, 3, 3.
No, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3.
No, but you add with 0, right? So
Yes, so minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3 itself. You're getting it?
no, wait. No. 0
Okay.
is greater than minus 3, right?
Yes, no.
So bigger number sign.
You don't think of it as an integer. Don't think the number line here. It's minus 3 plus 0 that you'll be doing. Okay,
But
look.
still 0 is the greater number, right?
No, 3 is a greater number, and 3, the sign for 3 is minus. That is why you put minus.
Oh,
So
okay.
it'll be minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, and so on. Write it down. Okay, write in the exact same steps that we did the previous sum.
What to do after this?
Minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. Equal to minus 3.
Every time you add it with minus, it will be
Minus 3. So T2 will be T1 plus 0, which is again minus 3 plus 0, again minus 3. Same thing for T3, same thing for T4.
done.
Yeah, correct.
The same step, no. Every time it's just minus 3 plus 0. So why
Yeah.
not just do it once?
No, at least 3 terms you have to show, at least.
No, but you can write T1, T2, T3, T4, or T2, T3, T4 equals to no.
You can do that, but it's always advisable to show at least working for 3. Okay, third one. A is minus 7 and D common difference is half. Will you be able to do this? Yes.
What?
Will you be able to do this one? Common difference is half.
No.
Just have to keep adding half. So T1 first term is A, which is equal to minus 7. Okay. Then T2 will be T1
T1
plus
plus
common difference. So that is minus 7 plus half. This you have to solve. How will you solve? Do cross multiplication. Minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. Divided by 1 into 2 is 2. So minus 14 plus 1, how much it is?
minus 13.
Minus 13 upon 2. So this is your second term. Then T3 will be T2 plus D. So T2 you
So
got.
is this even an arithmetic progression?
Yes, it is. Yes. Because we are.
7 say direct minus 3, 13 upon 2.
Yeah, it is. It is. See, anyways, we are adding the same common difference everywhere. No, here also we are adding D. Again, we are adding D. So it is a common AP. So
Oh, yeah.
plus 1 upon 2. Now here, if you see, denominators are same. So calculation will becoming easier. So it becomes minus 13 plus 2 upon 2, which is minus 11 upon 2. This is your third term. Okay, 3 terms are enough. If you want, you can do the fourth one also, but according 3 is enough. So we can stop here or you can find out T4 also. Doesn't matter. So the AP is first term 7 upon 2. Sorry, minus 7. Sorry, first term is minus 7. Second term is minus 13 upon 2. Third term minus 11 upon 2, and so on. Is this some clear? Have you understood? Okay.
Yes.
Write it down. If 3 terms are enough, you can find out T4 also. but it's okay if you don't do it also. But minimum 3 terms have to be there. One minute. One small mistake is there here. This has to be, denominators are same now here. So this has to be minus 13 plus 1. I wrote 2 here by mistake. Minus 13 plus 1, which is minus 12 upon 2. Okay, minus 12 upon 2. Got it? And you can divide it also, which you will get minus 6. Correct? 12 divided by 2 is 6. So
Then did we make a mistake in 13 also?
What?
Did we make a mistake in 13 also?
No, 13 is right. No, 13 is right. Here we did proper cross multiplication. So 7 into 2, 14. So minus 14 here, plus 1 into 1, 1 here. And minus 14 plus 1 is minus 13. So minus 13 upon 2, this is right. Okay, and the second term is also correct. Minus 6. So we have minus 7, comma minus 13 upon 2, comma minus 6. I saw your assignment, that homework. There are few mistakes in that. Before going, I'll show you the mistake.
And the sixth one I have not solved.
Yeah,
I've just drawn the diagram, which is also wrong.
Okay, I saw that, yeah. So these homework that I'm giving you as this way, assignment steps, where are you writing? Are you writing in a separate book or separate papers, or what? How are you doing it?
In the class book.
Class book, okay. Fine.
You want me to make a separate book for that?
I'll tell you later. I'll tell you what to do. Yeah, perfect. Let's do fourth one.
You want to do all here only.
What?
You want to do all here only.
Yeah. And this is not
much. Homework.
This is not much. I'll give you, don't worry. Homework I'll give. Did you practice theorem?
Okay.
Theorem?
Yes. Yes.
Now in this first term, T1 is A, which is minus 1.25. Then T2 will be T1 plus D. So that is T1 is minus 1.25 plus 3. Can you add this? Minus 1.25 plus 3.
4.25.
This is a negative number. This is a
So
positive
you will
number.
minus
Yes, you'll minus. So
2.25.
no,
No, I don't know how to do this.
no. 3 is a greater number and you have to subtract from it 1.25. So here you can put a 0, 0. Okay, you can put a decimal like this. And now we have to do the subtraction. So borrow. From here, 1 borrowed here. 10. From here, 1 borrowed here. So 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. And 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is 1.75. This T2 is 1.75. T1 1 minus 1.25. T2 1.75. Let's find out T3 also. So T3 will be T2 plus D. This you will able to do it orally. T2 is 1.75 plus D is 3. So how much will this be? 1.75 plus 3. Yes. 1.75 plus 3.
Plus, right? So 4.73.
75. Yes, correct. 4.75. Okay, you can find out T4 also if needed, but it's enough. So this will be T3 plus 3. Here, this also
This time I'll
addition will,
not find it because this time it's in decimal. So I'll only find it in
Yeah.
T3.
addition will be easier. It's just adding. 4.75 plus 3. How much will this be?
7.75.
Correct. 7.75. It's not needed. Up to T3 is enough. So let's write, therefore, the AP is minus 1.25, comma 1.75, comma 4.75, comma 7.75. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Write it down. Write down this calculation also. 3.03 minus 1.25.
Done.
Okay, fine. Okay. Sixth one will be easy. I want you to do. Sorry, fifth one. I want you to do it right now. A is 6, B is -3.
What?
A is 6,
B.
D is
D.
-3. D.
How is it possible that T3 and T4 are the same?
Show me your calculation. Zero. Okay, T3 is 0, no? But you have written 3. T4 is T3 plus D, but T3 is 0.
So 0 plus
-3.
-3.
Yes. So your sequence is, your AP is -3. Sorry, 6, 3, 0, -3, and dot dot dot. Yeah, fine. I want you to do the last one also right now, sixth one. A is -19, B is -4. Yeah, correct. Are you sitting with the textbook? Do you have the
No,
textbook?
I'm sitting with the PDF of the textbook.
Okay. So in your PDF, just check whether it is minus 19 here, because I think in the old textbook it is plus 19 and in the new one it is minus 19. But what you did is right.
I do not understand.
No. Here A is minus 19, no? Minus 19. So I think in some textbooks it is plus 19.
1 second.
I think in the old textbook it is plus 90. And in the new one it is minus 90. But it's correct. What you did is right. That doesn't matter. It's okay, let it be.
Just give me one. Yeah, I'm back. Thank you for waiting.
Yeah. So we'll start with the next part. Finding the first term and the common difference of the AP. So in this, you just have to
First
find,
term is 5.
and they're saying you have to find the common difference, and this is already an AP. So
You
what?
just minus any one from the earlier
Yes,
one.
yes, correct. So A first term is 5. Common difference, you can just do T2 minus T1. So that is 1 minus 5, which is minus 4. That's it.
Done, over.
Yes, that's it. D. Finding 1 is enough because in the question they have said this is already an AP. So there is no need to find T3 minus T2 and so on. This is enough. Okay, this is already an AP. So just 1 subtraction is enough. Clear? Write it down.
And why have they given so many if they could have only given 5 and 1?
They have given an AP for you. They have given an AP. You just have to find the common difference. And they're saying it is an AP. It is an arithmetic progression. So you just have to find first term and common difference. That's it. And nothing. Yes. Fine. Can you do the second one? It's easy.
No. How do you?
Same way.
But no, like how do you minus 0.9 from 0.6? 0.3?
Yeah, correct. 0.3.
Okay.
First term is easy.
It is
First term is
always that you have to minus T2 from T1 only.
yes. Always. T2 minus T1, then T3 minus T2 and so on. So
No, but you cannot. No. For this, if I minus T4 minus T3, I can do that.
yes, you can do that also. Yes. T4 minus T3. Same answer you will get.
And I can only that if I write it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Yes.
This class till what time you will be taking, and you will be taking a class in the afternoon also.
No.
Take it in the afternoon also if you want, because I don't have anything in the.
Let me see.
You have something in the afternoon.
Yeah. I have another class as well.
Wait, but okay, fine.
You mean 4 o'clock? Okay, let's see how much we finish. We'll see accordingly. Show me. I did not see the sum. Show to me. Okay, fine.
Sums come for how many marks? 1 mark.
These, yes, 1 mark, 2 mark. These are usually 1 marks. 1 mark. Such type. Find common
Entire
difference.
AP, entire The chapter 3 comes for only 1 or 2 mark
No.
questions.
No. For the only this exercise sums I'm talking about.
Okay.
From the next round, 2 marks and 3 marks also can come. And in this chapter, nothing is deleted. So 2-3 marks definitely will come. They have not deleted anything from this chapter because this has very simple sums, this chapter. Okay, third one, I'm sure this also you'll able to do. Third one and fourth one, both of them do. Common difference, first term, common difference, first term, common difference.
Nothing is in minus, right? Because I feel as if there's something in minus.
In which one? Third one?
Any. There's
No.
no minus, no?
No.
There are
No
so many
minus.
fractions, it looks as if it's minus.
No. And these fractions, subtraction will be easier for you because the denominators are same. Little bit closer, I can't see. Yeah, correct. Both are right. Now, that was the last part of exercise 3.1. Now, let's start with the concept which we need for 3.2. Okay, now this is a very easy concept. You just need to remember one formula, and that is called as a Tn formula. Now, what is a Tn formula and when to use the Tn formula? I'll tell you that first. So suppose you have an arithmetic progression like this: first term T1, T2, T3, and so on. And A is the first term and D is a common difference. Then if you want to find the nth term, this is called as a nth term formula or Tn formula. This is called as the nth term formula or Tn formula, which is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Now, suppose you in this sequence, in this arithmetic progression T1, T2, T3, and so on, this is never ending. You want to find out, suppose, which term is in the 20th position. Okay, suppose if you want to find out what is the term in the 20th position, that means you want to find out T20. That means n is 20. So you just substitute the values of the first term plus 20 and 20 minus 1 into the common difference of that AP. If you solve this, you will get what number is in the 20th position. Did you understand what is the formula about Tn formula? Yes or no? Okay. So similarly, if you know the first term and if you know the common difference, you can find out any position in this sequence. You can find out T100 also. You can find out T2000 also, T50 also. Anything you can find out. Only you need to know what is A and what is the common difference. That is first term and the common difference. If you know this, then you can find out any term in this sequence or in this progression AP. Clear? Write down this formula. Tn formula. Write it down.
Yeah, done. Just have to write the formula.
Yes. So I'll just do one example sum and then I'll show you how to use the formula and then we will solve the exercise. We'll start with the exercise. If you see in this sum, find Tn for the following AP and then find the 30th term. Okay, so an AP is given to you. You have to find out Tn and you have to find the 30th term. 30th term means you have to find out T30. So you have the sequence 3, 8, 13, 18. So in the first position, you have your T1 is 3, T2 is 8, T3 is 13, T4 is 18. That way this is dot, 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 dot. So they are asking you to find out which number is in the 30th position. T30 you have to find out. Question is clear now, what you have to find?
Yes.
Okay. Now, first what you do is write down the first term, that is A. A first term is nothing but T1, which is 3. Then you find out the common difference D. So for common, since it is given in an AP, it is an AP, you just do T2 minus T1. Because in the question, they are not asking you to check whether it is an AP. If in the question it is mentioned, check whether it is an AP, so you have to check for all the terms, the common difference, okay? T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, and so on. Then you will do. But in this case, it is said that it is given in the question, it is an AP. So just to find out common difference, it is okay if you just do T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1 will be 8 minus 3, which is 5. Is this clear?
Yes.
So A is 3, common difference is 5. You have to find out.
The common difference was given, no?
No, common difference is not given. It's not given. But what is given, it is an AP. So that's why I just did T2 minus T1. If it wouldn't have been given in the question that is this is an AP, you would have to find out all. T3 minus T2 also, then T4 minus T3 also. All those things you have to find out. Clear? So you have to find out T30. So we'll use the Tn formula. Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 D. That means you have to find out T30. So n is 30. So T30 is equal to A, substitute a value, A is 3 plus n is 30. So 30 minus 1 and D is 5. Now you have to just simplify the right hand side. So this will be 3 plus, subtract this, 30 minus 1, 29, multiplied by 5. So first you multiply this, okay? So 3 plus 29 into 5. Okay, wait, they ask you to find out Tn also, no?
145.
Okay, 1 minute.
N is not given to us, right?
What? N, yes, given a 30.
N.
This what is here now, that is your N.
So,
T30.
okay, fine.
T30. So that what is at the bottom there, that number will be your N. So 30th term is asked to find out. So N is 30. So 3 plus 20, you said 145, correct? So T30 is 3 plus 145, that is 148. So you can finally say that the 30th term is 148. Is this clear? Write down this number. Any doubts? Write it down.
Done.
Yeah. Practice set 3.2. This activity is for homework. You just have to find out T2 minus T1 and that's it.
Okay.
First term and common difference. So yeah, just fill in this box.
Yeah, I'll do it.
So let me do the second sum of practice at 3.2. Now, if you read the question carefully here, decide whether the
You
following
have to minus
sequence.
everything.
Yes. And if it is an AP, you have to find out the 20th term. 20th term means T20 you have to find out. Okay, so let's do stepwise everything. So A, first term is T1, which is minus 12. Now let's find out a common difference. So first we'll do T2 minus T1. So that will be minus 5 minus of minus 12, which is minus 5 plus 12, which is 7. Now next, let's do T3 minus T2. So it will be 2 minus of minus 5, which is 2 plus 5, again 7. Let's do T4 minus T3, which is 9 minus 2, which is again 7. So see, for all we are getting 7. Let's do T5 minus T4, 16 minus 9, again 7. Then T6 minus T5. T6 is 23, T5 is 16, which is again 7. And lastly, T7 minus T6, that is 30 minus 23, which is again 7. So all of them are equal. So common difference, D is equal to 7. Therefore, you can say the sequence minus 12 minus 5 2 9 ... is an AP. Up to here, is it clear? Okay. Now they have asked you to find out the 20th term. Find 20th term. Okay, 20th term means you have to find out T20. So use the Tn formula. Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So T20 means n is equal to 20. And you know the first term. First term is minus 12. Common difference is 7, which we found out. Substitute. And n is 20. So T20 equals A is minus 12 plus n minus 1, that will be 20 minus 1, multiplied by the common difference, that is 7. Substitute, so this will be solve, minus 12 plus, first subtraction, 12 minus 1, 19 into 7. Next, you multiply 19 into 7. How much is 19 into 7?
133. 132.
133. 133. So now this is minus 12 plus 133. So that will be, what to subtract? 2, 1, 2, and 1. So after subtracting, you get 121. So the 20th term, 20th term of the AP is 121. Is this sum clear?
Yes.
Okay, now I want you to write it down. Can you see the entire sum?
Yes.
Okay, write it down. Any doubts, and you can ask. See that you do the calculations and write the calculations properly. Are you done?
Done.
Okay. Third one. Now here, see, if you read this question carefully, they have said, given arithmetic progression 12, 16, 20, 24, find the 20th, 24th term of this progression. So here,
Just
no
use
need
the
to.
Nth term formula.
Yes, do it right now. Yes, correct. 104. Okay, sum number 4 and 5. Can you do this for homework? Yes.
Yeah.
So you have from this exercise, question number 1 for homework.
Just type and send it to the group.
What?
Type and send it to the group now, my homework.
Yes. So question number practice set 3.1, sorry, 3.2, question 1 full, then 4 and 5. Question 4 and question 5. Okay, so before doing the 6th one, I'll do one example sum and then I'll come to the 6th one. So you will have a better understanding. Understand this question first. Which term of the following AP is 560? Okay, so now they are asking in this, which term is 560? So first term is 2, second term is 11, then T3 is 20 and so on. So they are asking 560 is in the which position? Is it in the 20th position, 30th position, 40th position? What position it is that you have to find out. That means you have to find out n. N you have to find out. Is this clear? So this is an AP. In this, first term is given to you. First term is 2. Common difference you can find out. You can do T2 minus T1. So that is 11 minus 2, which is 9. So first term is 2. Common difference is 9. Now, Tn is given 560. Tn is given 560. The nth term is given. You have to find out at which position. That means n. What is n? At which position the term is 560. Clear?
Yes.
So let's use the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So Tn is 560, substitute. First term is 2 plus n you have to find out. So keep this n minus 1 as it is. D is 9. Okay. Now what you do first is take this plus 2 on the other side. So this will become 560 minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. So 560 minus 2 will give you 558. Correct? Is equal to n minus 1 into 9. On what this 558 will keep it as it is. Here what you do is multiply
9n.
this. Yes. 9n minus 9. Correct? Now take minus 9 on the other side, it will become plus 9. So 558 plus 9 is equal to 9n. So how much is 558 plus 9? 560 and 7. So 567 is equal to 9n. 9 is in multiplication this side. So when it comes on the other side, it will get divided. So 567 divided by 9 is equal to n.
63.
Yes. So n is 567 divided by 9, which you get 63. So n is 63. That means the 63rd position or 63rd term 63rd term is 560, or you can say T63 is equal to 560. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to write it down. Understand each step and write it.
Done.
Okay. Now let's go to the sixth sum. Okay, so now here they're asking you, find how many three-digit numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, so you have to find total how many three-digit numbers are divisible by 5. So you find out, first what you do, you find out the first or the smallest three-digit number divisible by 5. Can you think of it? Which is the smallest three-digit number
Just 1
divisible?
minute. Yeah.
Okay. So first you have to find out which is the smallest three-digit number divisible by 5. Can you think about it? Which is the smallest three-digit number divisible by 5?
The table of 5.
Yeah. Which one is the smallest, but it has to be a three-digit number?
Whichever is the 3-digit that comes first in the table of 5.
Yes, which it is. Which it is. You have to tell me that.
100.
Yes, correct. 100. 100 is the smallest three-digit number which is divisible by 5. After 100, if you see, next 105 is divisible by 5. After this, you keep adding 5 to it. After this, 110 is divisible by 5. So can you tell me which will be the last or the greatest three-digit number divisible by 5?
5, 5, 5. Like that. It goes on.
After 555 also, there are more three-digit number which is divisible by 5. But now I want you to tell me the last one, which is the last three-digit number divisible by 5.
9.
9. 9 what? You're muted.
995.
Correct. 995. After 995, if you add, it becomes a four-digit number. Okay, we don't want four-digit. We just need three-digit numbers. So you see, these are total all of the three-digit number 110, 105, 100, 105, 110, and so on. These are all three-digit number which are divisible by 5. So this is the sequence here. So you have to find out how many total numbers are there between 101 and 995, which is divisible by 5. You have to find the total numbers. Is this clear what has to be done?
Yes.
Okay. That means we have to find out n. Total numbers between this and between 100 and 995. So first term is 100. First term is 100. Common difference, you see, what is a common difference? It is increasing by 5. So common difference will be
5.
5. And last term, Tn, last term, we call it as Tn, and that is 995. So if this is the first term, T1, T2, T3, ... This is the last term, Tn. You have to find out this last term, Tn, is at which position. Okay, and that position will tell you the total numbers. Clear? Yes?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So here we will use a Tn formula. We have to find out n, okay? So Tn formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is 995, a is 100, n you have to find out, so keep it as it is, plus n minus 1, and d is 5. Take this 100 on other side, so it becomes 995 minus 100 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. So 995 minus 100 will become 895. And here you multiply the 5 inside the bracket, so it becomes 5n minus 5. Take plus minus 5 on the other side, so it became plus 5. So 895 plus 5 is equal to 5n. So 895 plus 5 is 900. 900 is equal to 5n. So 5 will go on the other side, it will get divided. So 900 divided by 5 is equal to n. How much is 900 divided by 5?
No, we didn't do start skill.
5
What was I
ones
saying
are
loud?
5. 5 ones are 5. 40, 5 eights are 40 and 0. So 900 divided by 5 is 180.
180.
So n is 180. So you can say that 180 three-digit numbers,
Mine is going back.
180 three-digit numbers are divisible
Open that the same thing. What?
by
No, I'm showing you.
5.
Open and
Okay, that means from there are total 180 numbers in this AP. Okay, from 100 to 995, there are 180 numbers. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Write it down.
Done.
Ninth one is also almost similar to the one that we did, but little differences there. In this, they have said in the natural numbers from 10 to 250. Okay, from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? Okay, so from 10, between 10 to 250, which is the first number or which is divisible by 4?
12.
Correct, 12. And which is the last number in this which is divisible by 4? After 12, 16, 20, and so on. And which will be the
24.
last number divisible by 4? Is 250 divisible by 4?
Yeah. Yes.
No, 250 is not divisible by 4.
But it's
But it's what?
but it's even, right? So I thought it might be.
No. Before 250, check. Is 249 divisible by 4? Is this divisible by 4? No.
Oh no.
Before 249, let's see 248. Is this divisible
Yes.
by 4? Yes, this is divisible by 4. 4, 6 are 24, 4, 4 is 8. So the last number will be 248 that is divisible by 4. Now you have to find out how many numbers there are in total. Will you be able to do this? Same like the previous one.
Yes.
Do it. Do it just now. Tell me A, what is common difference, what is Tn, and finally you have to find out N. Exactly the same. Be careful with your calculations, okay? Don't make mistakes. Are you able to solve? Okay.
I made a mistake. I have to do it again.
Okay. What happened? Are you able to solve? Show me your calculation.
There is all focal of times.
Okay, it is not n plus 1, it is n minus 1. In the formula, you did an n plus 1.
So on that side, we'll go and add.
Yes.
So it'll become 240.
Show me.
The 236 plus 4 is 240, right?
Yeah, correct. So then you'll have to divide then. 240 divided by 4.
Mhm.
Which is 60.
Yeah, correct. 60. So 60 numbers are divisible by 4. Little bit closer.
Signature.
36, 240. Yeah, correct. Okay, we'll stop here. Join back at 1:30. 1:30. 1:30. Yeah.
Why? No. One. Can I join at 2?
Okay. 2. Okay, fine.
What time do you have another thing?
Now,
No, like in the afternoon, what time do you have?
4.
Okay, you have it at 4, so then we can do it from
1 hour.
4 or
1.
3 to 4.
1 hour. 2. Join
3
at
to
2.
4?
Join
Okay,
at 2.
2. Okay, fine.
2.
Fine.
And do that. Now you are free, right? Up to 2. So do that homework right now. Today itself do. Okay, it's just one activity and 2 sums are just 3 sums are there. Okay,
Okay, fine.
fine. So see you at 2.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.